Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Study Shastra. Today we are going to study how to find mean in a discrete series. For this we have to use three methods, that is first direct method, second shortcut method and third step deviation. So let's begin. So we have our example here, that is following is the weekly wage earning of 19 workers. We have the given information, that is wages of the workers and number of workers. We have to calculate the arithmetic mean using direct method. So now for this we will apply the formula of direct method, that is mean equals to sigma fx whole divided by sigma x. Now understanding this with the proper solution. So we will consider our wages as x, as we are talking about discrete series. So we have to use frequencies. So here our frequencies were number of the workers. We have the formula here, that is mean equals to sigma fx divided by sigma f, where this sigma symbolizes the sum of f into x. So we will have to find f into x. So here we are having the sigma fx total, that is 560, and the sigma fx is multiple of x and phi and x and f. So the mean will be equals to sigma fx divided by sigma f, and we get our approximately mean 29.47. This is all about discrete series direct method. Now let us understand finding mean in a discrete series by shortcut method. The formula gives mean equals to a plus sigma ft divided by sigma f. This means that our here a is the assumed average, sigma ft is the sum of the multiple of frequency into the deviation, and sigma f symbolizes the total of the frequencies. Let us understand this with an example. As we know, we have to consider our wages x, number of workers f, and we have to find the deviation d. For that, we will consider the deviation d from our given x and assumed our average, that is 30. So we considered our assumed average 30, and after that we have to find the deviations d. We will subtract using the formula x minus a, we will subtract and find out our d. So the first is 10 minus 30, which gives minus 20, then 20 minus 30 minus 10, then 30 minus 30 is 0, then 40 minus 30 10, and 50 minus 30 also gives 20. So after this we will find out our ft. For that we have to find f into the multiplication of d, that is 4 into minus 20 will be minus 80, minus 50, that is 0, this will be 20, and this will be 100, and of this approximately minus 30 and of this approximately 120, we will get the sigma fd equals to minus 10. And as our formula of mean in shortcut method of discrete series is a plus sigma ft divided by sigma f, so we will have to also find sigma f, or the given sigma f is 19. So after applying all this in our formula, we will get our arithmetic mean, that is 29.47. So this is all about finding mean, arithmetic mean in an discrete series by using the formula shortcut method. Hoped you liked it. Now we will understanding the arithmetic mean by step deviation method in an discrete series. The step deviation method has its formula, that is mean equals to, or arithmetic mean is equals to a plus sigma f d dash divided by sigma f into c. Now what is a? A here is the assumed average, which we know in the previous video as well as in this video also. The sigma f d dash is the is the step deviation multiple and frequency, and the sigma f is the sum of the frequencies, where and the C is cumulative and where the C is our common factor. So now understanding this with an example. Okay, so the example says wage rate of 19 workers is given below. You have to calculate arithmetic mean in a step division method, where there is given wages and number of workers. So now we will consider a table and make it clear that our wages were our x, the number of workers were our frequency, deviation is the subtraction of assumed average from the given x, and the finding step deviations, which has a formula d dash, which is equals to deviation divided by common factor, and we have to also find f into d dash, the sum. So let's begin. As we have our this stepping up, which we previously also understand in shortcut method, we have find the deviations t, that is x minus a, that is 30 minus 30, that is 10 minus 30, 20 minus 30, 30 minus 30, 40 minus 30 and 50 minus 30. Now finding the step deviation, we have the formula d dash equals to x minus a divided by c. The common factor is the common distance between the both the wages, that is 10. So now we will consider the RC will be 10. Find it, that is minus 20 divided by 10 gives us minus 2. Minus 10 divided by 10 gives us minus 1. 0 divided by 10 gives 0. 10 divided by 10 gives 1. And 20 divided by 10 gives 2. So the whole d dash sum up is also equals to 0. But we have to find out sigma f d dash for the formula. So now considering sigma f d dash into f, we will have minus 8, minus 5, 0, 2 and 10. Considering whole this, we will have our sigma f d dash equals to minus 13 and minus 10, 12 sum up minus 1. So our formula will be mean equals to a plus sigma f d dash divided by sigma f, that is 30 plus minus 1 divided by 19. So we have, and the formula also has common factor multiply by 10. So we have 30 minus 10 divided by 19, that is 30 minus 0.53, which also gives 29.47. So this is our required arithmetic mean using the formula step deviation. Hope you understand this concept more easily. Thanks for watching this video, and for more updates subscribe our channel. Thank you.